Today I'm going to show you how to do a pop hand swipe for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a pop hand swipe, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your master scoot down. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance, kind of looking at the ground in front of you. You're going to kind of wind up your arms back a little bit to your side. You're going to reach for the ground and jump off both feet at the same time. And as soon as your hands touch the ground, you want to kick your leg over as hard as you can, landing in a backside stance. Now don't forget that you can do this move with a follow through at the end. You can also do it with a spin in front of it, and also you can do a spin and follow through together. And I do recommend that you get used to all of these because we are going to be doing them later on in combinations. So some quick tips when you do this: make sure that you're pushing off the balls of your feet and landing on the balls of your feet as best you can when you do it. Also make sure that when you put your hands on the ground, you're keeping your arms nice and firm, pushing through your shoulders so you don't hurt your arms. As always, make sure that you're spotting the ground as much as you possibly can, because you kind of want to see where you're going when you start to go backwards. Another quick tip too is you don't want to kind of go straight backwards. You do want to kind of arch to the side when you do these moves, but you can start to progress to go straight backwards if you would like. It would just be more of like a back handspring step out at that point. A good prereq for this move would be a pop back swipe, so I do recommend that you have that before you try this move. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you so much to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It's just awesome having you guys, and it means a lot that you guys support me as much as you do. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into a pop master scoot, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.